Last time was 5.
Yep. Apartments. This is inside number 30. It's beautiful. And we got baby Spence in here.
As delicious as mashed potatoes.
This is a beautiful kitchen.
Do you want to try feeding him, Rebecca?
You need to go. What is it?
I've got all the ones basically.
Okay, how many more spoonfuls should you
It
have?
seems to still be 1%, so
This is lovely out here.
There's 4 TVs.
Yes.
40. Oh wow.
I'll show you them all.
4 TVs.
Come on, grandma's.
Whoa, this is
Number
nice.
1.
Yeah.
Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Wow.
Number 2.
Number 2, so 2 TV.
Number 3, this one here.
Oh, you got a TV in the kitchen. Wow.
Which is a TV, by the way.
Yeah.
This is Rebecca's bed.
Oh,
And
I
this
love
is
it.
my bed.
Oh, isn't this
And that's the
nice?
4th
The
TV.
4th TV, so there's a TV everywhere. Wow. Well, this is a very nice apartment. Would you book this apartment again?
Yes. Yep. Definitely. Actually.
Yeah, it is very nice.
Hi, what I like best about my stay at the Pacific Plaza Apartments is it's a great location, lots of things actually, good price and beautiful views. You can watch sunrise from your bed, it's lovely.